Hey guys, so today we're going to take a look at this really simple mod from Maxzina. It's for your vent water barrier that you have in your hood. You know, sometimes a lot of debris gets through and stuff like that. So this is supposedly going to help out with that situation. So we're going to install it and try it out. Let's give it a shot. So let's first take a look at them. They're just these plastic barriers that will allow some water to run through and hopefully catch the leaves and stuff so that it doesn't get clogged up. And they are side specific, so there's a right side and a left side. The right will be for the passenger side and the left will be for the driver's side. So let's try it out. So first let's look at the barrier that the stock Maverick comes with. It's a little flap there and it doesn't hold back a whole lot. You can see there is a significant gap and it's this rubbery flap. Let's try it, and so hopefully this will give us better protection. This is the right side. Looks like you just kind of clip it on just like that. All right, install looks pretty easy. All right, so let's take a look at that. So you can see here's the original flap that just goes on underneath it, and you can see the barriers underneath it. So it clips on to this side and that side. Look at it from this back side, you can see the barrier. And that's the idea. You could get some water to seep through, but the leaves and stuff hopefully will hold back better than this flap right here. And I don't have any leaves there, but on this side, you can see I do have leaves that got through. Ouch. So let's clean that out. Clean it out and install the barrier. All right, same basic concept. Just slide it over the current wall. Yeah, the installation is super easy. So let's take a look at it on this side. It's a little bit harder to see on this side, but there's the flap. You see the flap and the new barrier right here, and the flap is on the other side. The leaves and stuff will get trapped better than that rubber flap is doing. Okay, so yeah, that's a real quick and easy, simple mod for your Ford Maverick. Right, so I moved over here so it's easier to see, but the idea is that all the leaves and stuff would get caught here and it wouldn't come through this flap, so that this area right here will be a lot easier to clean, and it does, all the debris doesn't come in and around here, that all the debris stays right here and you could gather them up real quick and easily. You can see the channel that Ford has for it, and it should collect right there and you could grab all the big debris.